Hello friends, today we will discuss renewable energy sector and India. Renewable energy refers to energy derived from natural resources that are replenished continuously such as solar, wind, hydro and biomass. India being world's third largest energy consumer is rapidly expanding its renewable energy capacity to ensure energy security, sustainability, and climate resilience. Current status in 2025 installed renewable energy capacity is over 190 gigawatt. Share in total power capacity is around 45% of India's total installed power capacity, including large hydro. Targets 500 gigawatt of non-fossil fuel capacity by 2030. Net zero emission by 2070. Major sources of renewable energy are: first, solar energy. India has huge solar potential, average 300 sunny days per year. Top projects are Bhadla Solar Park, Rajasthan, Pavagada, Karnataka. Schemes are PM Kusum, Solar Rooftop Program, National Solar Mission. Second is wind energy. Major states Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. India ranks among the top 5 countries globally in wind power capacity. Third is hydropower. Small hydropower projects less than 25 megawatt are promoted for rural electrification. North and northeast regions have untapped hydro potential. Fourth is bioenergy, includes biogas, biomass, and waste to energy plants scheme, National Bioenergy Mission. Fifth is green hydrogen. India launched the National Green Hydrogen Mission 2023 to produce 5 million tons of green hydrogen annually by 2030. Government initiatives. National Action Plan on Climate Change NAPCC includes the National Solar Mission, faster adoption and manufacturing of hybrid electric vehicles, that is known as FAME scheme, production linked incentive PLI for high efficiency solar PV modules, International Solar Alliance ISA, India led initiative to promote solar energy globally. Economic and environmental benefits: reduces dependence on imported fossil fuels, creates jobs in manufacturing, installation, and maintenance, reduces carbon emissions and air pollution, promotes sustainable and rural development. But there are challenges: intermittent power supply, solar and wind depend on weather, need for efficient energy storage and grid integration, high initial investment cost, land acquisition issues for large projects. Way forward is to encourage public-private partnership in renewable projects, strengthen battery storage and smart grid technology, focus on research and innovation in green hydrogen and offshore wind, promote local manufacturing of solar panels and wind turbines, ensure inclusive green transition with support for small producers and rural communities. The renewable energy sector is at the heart of India's sustainable development strategy. With strong policy and support and global leadership in initiatives like ISA, India is set to become a renewable energy powerhouse, driving growth while protecting the environment.